This there is a Pioneer stable platter, and because of that the CD goes labeled down. And have a look when I close it how the whole mechanism goes down towards CD. All of them do that, and Pioneer being a leader in optical technology, well, they know what they do, and this used to be my transport for 3 years, and me having 40 CD players, I chose that one mainly because as a transport it reads absolutely anything. There was only one non-finalized CDR that it wouldn't read, but any CDR, any CD, it will read with ease and then will jump to any track instantaneously. The reason I'm making this video is that I thought I'm going to sacrifice PD-S-703 in my Wadia restoration project, but once I removed the display I found a couple of segments there actually were different, the 5700, but in these PD-S-703 they are exactly the same. So it will lose its display, and I'll probably sell it for parts, or I don't know what I'm going to do with it. What's inside? Inside is a power supply. All the capacitors there are Nihikons. Some more Nihikons on the output, then there are Elners, and all the blue ones are Rubicons. So it's quality stuff. They got this legato link conversion, DAX. This one I think is PD-2029A. I don't know which any of them is better than the other. They're not really, they're only used in Pioneer players, and nobody treats Pioneer seriously enough to worry about reviewing them. But I treat Pioneer seriously as a reader, as a transport, and it only has toslink out, but for 24, 16-bit and 44 kilohertz, that's perfectly all right, and that's why all of the players, to start with, had optical. Current shift towards SPDIF is because of the 2496 or 24192 and higher bit rates, where optical doesn't do or cannot just go that high. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye bye.